Remember noon ako to nag...
Hello, mga BFF ko.
Sige, ready?
Ready for Maduro!
Things you want to say about Kay Carlin?
May all the desires of your heart be granted by God. Always be happy, and Carlin is such a good friend. Yes, and more.
Blessings to come to Carlin and continue to be a good sister.
Char, happy birthday po, and you are never denied all your direct.
Yes! Ma-reach na niyo ang kanyang mga dreams. The Chinese dream.
Yeah.
More pera to come. Para maka-BJ na. Welcome to our vlog. So this is our 4th annual renewal of friendship. Thank you so much sa aking mga friends, beloved friends, Sheldon, Senyor, Madam Beloved Sonic Queen, Theo, and Peach for the time and everything to prepare this wonderful, to make the celebration a happy one. Ready for mature.